Hey guys, how are you? Drsaila back. In my videos for the past 3 days, I gave introduction to NAD, which is our longevity molecule, and how to boost it naturally through simple lifestyle changes and how to boost it through the right foods. And today we will talk about supplements. So can supplements and emerging therapies supercharge your NAD levels? So if you are looking to enhance NAD, the molecule essential for the energy production and cellular repair. So beyond lifestyle and the diet, supplementation and innovative therapies might be the answer. So here is a breakdown of what's available and what's on horizon. And NAD precursors, which is nicotinamide riboside, NR, which is the nicotinamide mononucleotide, NMN. So these are the most researched NAD boosting supplements, and they provide the building blocks your cells need to produce NAD, improving the mitochondrial health and energy levels. And did you know NMN is naturally found in tiny amounts in foods like broccoli and edamame? And number 2 is vitamin B3, which is niacinamide. So the more budget-friendly option. Niacinamide is effective at raising NAD levels, and the caution is higher doses can cause flushing. So start low and go slow. Always check with your provider before you start any supplements, because there's no doctor-patient relationship formed here, And resveratrol is another supplement. These powerful antioxidants activate citrulline, the proteins that depend on NAD to repair cells and regulate metabolism. So when paired with the NR or NMN, they create a synergistic effect and amplify the results. And there are some emerging therapies like NAD infusions, and there is alpha ketoglutarate and coenzyme Q10. They're being studied for their ability to complement NAD production and to improve the mitochondrial function. And the emerging therapies are like NAD infusions. They are expensive and they're not widely available, so still more research need to be done on this. And other things like alpha ketoglutarate and coenzyme Q10, they're being studied for their ability to complement NAD production and improve the mitochondrial function. So, and the quick takeaway here is think of supplements and therapies as tools to amplify the benefits of healthy lifestyle. While they can help, their effects are amplified or maximized when combined with exercise, proper nutrition, and quality sleep matters. Have you tried any of these NAD boosters or heard about emerging therapies? Drop your comments below. I'll come back with another video tomorrow, which is like how to stop the depletion of NAD. Look forward to seeing you again with this amazing video tomorrow. Thank you.